Problems with your dog digging up your lawn? Sick of being stuck in the mud? Have you got potholes all over your driveway? Fed up with these issues? We can fix it. SurePave is the solution. For driveways, paths, car parks and patio areas, simply lay on top of your prepared sub-base by clicking together and filling with your choice of aggregate. You can drive on SurePave with trucks, cars, wheelchairs and buses. SurePave locks stones in place, giving a firm surface to drive on. Pavers can easily be cut to fit your area as required. 2 panels of SurePave cover 1 square metre. For lawn installations, prepare the sub-base, lay the pavers, then fill with a good quality topsoil, overfilling by 1 centimetre. This can then be planted with your choice of grass seed or covered with instant turf. Once grass is established, SurePave can be mown as usual. SurePave provides a permeable, hard-wearing, stable and aesthetically pleasing surface for all the family to enjoy.